Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. So, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide sender name on Telegram. Let's get started. Firstly, let's open the Telegram app. Make sure you have already downloaded the Telegram app on your device. When you open your Telegram app, it will show this kind of interface. Now, let's say you want to send this picture to someone. Just tap on it and tap on the forward icon. Now, select a person to whom you want to forward this picture. It will open the chat. Here, you can see the forward icon on the left corner. Click on it, and you will see this option. Next, tap on Hide Sender Name. So, you have successfully hidden the sender name. That's it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.